Not doing that again, ever.
Well, I hope not. At least you're still functioning, kinda. All right, guys, so it is day 5, and it's the last day, and we are gonna have this car up and running. We got a little checklist here, and we're going through it quickly. So I'm thinking, you know, maybe sometime around 3 or 4 today, we'll have the car up and running, as long as everything goes right, and we will be finished with the build. Maybe take it outside and see how the tires spin. So with that being said, it is Friday. I'm having a great day. I feel good. Christian, on the other hand, I don't know, but that's okay, because he's still powering through. So let me get back to work so we can finish this list off and get the car outside, and hopefully, like I said, if everything goes right, let's start.
I'm gonna make that ground wire real quick. Oh, heard the car stop.
So we got a bracket for our throttle body for the cable, and then we got our trans dipstick, both from Lokar, which helps us out tremendously, and with the flex line, it makes it easy, you can route it anywhere. So we're gonna put this down on the transmission, put this on the firewall somewhere, we'll be good to go.
So now we're getting ready to assemble our Dakota Digital gauges, and to do that we have to disassemble our old gauges. We got to remove the back piece and use that, so we're gonna do that now. Looks like it was being held on by tape.
Nothing. Done.
All right, so now we're ready to install our gauges, and it's just a matter of bolting on some screws.
Okay, ready? Okay, give it some gas. All right, let it go. Do it a couple of times.
Okay. All right, give me a sec.
What?
I'm gonna take the pedal off.
There you go. Now Christian can hook that up to the starter side. We can charge the battery that way. Starter? Yeah, the starter. Don't you know the starter?
Okay, come on!
What are you doing?
I'm trying to finish this.
Finish what? Gas is on, dude.
What'd it do?
I don't know, I didn't do anything.
Yeah, right.
I didn't know we had a weld.
Well, the way we were doing it wasn't gonna work. Before it'll leak out.
No, it won't. Why are you exaggerating so much? There we go.
And I think I have everything I need here. All right, so we're about ready to throw on our American racing wheel. They're wrapped in a Mickey Thompson Street Comp tire. Listo.
Okay, so we got to come way out. We're 17 3/4.
All the way left and then all the way right.
So I just got done calibrating everything through the handheld. The Terminator X lets you do everything through the handheld. You don't have to hook up a laptop. And that's everything from cubic inches to your RPM range when they turn off. I programmed the transmission with the tire size, what type of trans, the 4L60. So next step is to turn the key off, just to do a quick cycle with it and try to fire it up.
We're good on oil?
Good on everything.
Coolant,
all
everything?
systems go.
All right.
Let it prime. Sounds about 60 PSI to me. Go ahead.
Gauges work, everything. All right,
60.
here we go, fellas.
Yeah! Woo!
Nate, can you screw on the bolts?
Should be right back where it was.
Yeah.
So you're
I'm
good.
good over here. We're all gapped.